What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here I'm back with another video. And in this video I will be reviewing the MI Bluetooth speaker basic 2. So this is the package that we'll be getting, that is the box. The box is quite compact, that is it's a bit close to the size of the speaker. And here's the front side of it, and in the front side, as you can see, there is just a photo of the speaker, and here it is written MI Bluetooth speaker basic 2. And on this side here is an MI branding as well, and in this side as well. So, and now let's see the back side of it and what are the specifications written on it. Here it is written MI Bluetooth speaker basic 2, and here's the model and it uses the Bluetooth version of 4.2, and the wireless range of this is less than or equal to 10 meters, and the frequency is mentioned as the speaker output is 2.5 watt into 2, and the play time, and here is the play time, that is the major factor according to the Bluetooth speaker, because there is no need of any kind of power supply required for this. And here it is mentioned as for at 40% volume it lasts to about 10 hours, but according to my experience, that is, I have used this speaker for a while now. I have already unboxed this speaker, so I have experienced how it works. So it lasts nearly about 8 hours at the 40% volume, that is 40 to 50% volume. And if you keep the volume up to the maximum limit, that is the full volume, then it lasts to nearly about 5 hours, 4.5 to 5 hours. So that's it. And here are some kind of barcodes mentioned on this, and here is some other details. So let's open the box, and it slides off like this, and straight away here comes the speaker. As I told you, the box is a bit compact. The speaker fits perfectly into this box, so we need to pull the speaker out. It's a bit difficult to pull the speaker out. So as you pull the speaker out, so here comes the speaker. A white color finishing on the front, that is, so this is made up of plastic, and on the side it is made up of an aluminum finish with a silver look. And here are some kind of other details mentioned on this. So here it is written as the MI Bluetooth speaker basic 2, and the input as well as output, etc. on this. And here is the two rubber stands to make the speaker stand stable on this. And here are the power, and here is the power button as well as, and here is the volume rockers, and there is nothing else except this on the side. And let's see on the back, and here is the charging port, that is a normal charger, use charger. And here is an audio jack, so that you can use the speaker on the devices which are not able to connect to Bluetooth. You can use an aux cable and you can connect it to this. So that's it. Now let's talk about the build quality of this. The build quality of this is really good, I would say. It feels a lot premium in hand. The finishing is perfect. The white color and the silver color blend smoothly. So that's it. So now let's boot the speaker up. So you need to give a long press on this, and here it will show a blue and a red light blinking. And how you need to connect on this phone is that you need to open the Bluetooth, and this is this, and this is the name of the speaker, that is the XFMH02. As you can see, it's connected, as I've already paired this, and it is also showing the battery life of this, that is, it has 80% of battery the speaker has. Now it has connected, and with this, now Now I will play some music on it to show the how the speaker works. Now let's play. So as you can see, this is the sound quality of this. I personally just by listening to this sound quality, you cannot I cannot clarify the sound quality for this, because the output which you are getting is through the output of your own phone speaker, and this anyways this audio is getting recorded by my phone's microphone, so you will not be able to experience how this sound quality is good or not. But according to my experience, I would say the sound quality is the best. This is the best Bluetooth speaker as I've ever used, as you can see. Now let's talk about the bass. The bass of this is really good, and you can even at the high volume, the music is perfectly clear, and you can feel the bass, that is, the music is clear, and the bass is also very high and clear. So I would say, and it sounds also really nice. So this is the perfect Bluetooth speaker according to me. Till now I have used almost 2 to 3 Bluetooth speakers in the past, and this is the best one out of that. And for charging this speaker, it takes nearly about 3 hours to get 100% full charge, and you can get an output of for 10 hours. Even if you drop this from a height, it won't break, because the build quality is really good on this, because it is made up of aluminum. It's very strong. It is available on Amazon for about 1700. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.